Hi students, I am Kumar. Already addition and subtraction matrices has been done. Let's see multiplication of matrices. Let's take A matrix, B matrix and multiply together. For example, how to multiply two matrix. Example, A matrix equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. B matrix equal to 1, 0, 3, 2. Now these two matrix how to multiply. Listen properly. B matrix. A matrix into B matrix. A matrix. What is the A matrix? 0, 1, 2, 3. Close the bracket. Into, that meaning what is into B matrix. 1, 0, 3, 2. Listen, two matrix multiply means first select first row. Already you know this is row. This second one also what is row. This is R1, R2. Same C1, C2. First row multiply first column. First row multiply first column. Listen. First row, what is the first number? 0. In first column, first number what is there here? 1. Now multiply. 0 into 1 means what is the answer here? 0. 0 into 1 means what is the answer here? 0. Next, after multiplication over means you put plus symbol. Next, second number, what is there here? 1. In column also second number what is there here? 3. Now 1 into 3 means what is the answer here? 3. Next, same first row multiply second column. Now 0 into 0 means what is the answer here? 0. After multiplication over means you put addition symbol. Second one what is there here? 1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means what is the answer here? 2. Same like that only. Now you select second row. Now you select second row. Multiply same each column. Now second row multiply first column. 2 into 1. What is the answer here? 2. Next you write symbol plus 3 into 3 means what is the answer here? 9. Next same 2 into 0. What is the answer here? 0. After which write plus symbol. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means what is the answer here? 6. Now this multiplication is over. All the elements are multiplication over. Now AB, answer, final answer. AB equal to. Now we should add. 0 plus 3 means what is the answer here? 3. 0 plus 2 means what is the answer here? 2. 2 plus 9 means what is the answer here? 11. 0 plus 6 means what is the answer here? 6. Now AB, that two matrix multiply means what is the answer you get? 3, 2, 11, 6. That is final answer. Listen, next topic, the order of the product matrix AB. How to find out order of matrix? There are two types. First one, A matrix order M by N. B matrix order N by P. But here you take any value, no problem. But generally matrix form, what is the matrix form order, what is there here? M by N. Okay, listen. First one, AB order, how will you find out? Now you check. Listen. Now A order, what is there here? M by N. M means what is there here? Row. N means what is there here? Column. Same. Here B matrix also. N means what here? Row. Here P means what is there here? Column. But here this middle value, what is there here? N. Here also N is there. This place also what is there here? N. But here what is the meaning here? Column. Here what is the meaning? Row. Column value and row value both also equal means the order of AB. Order of the order of AB is. Order of AB means remaining what is there here? M. Here what is there here? P. Therefore order of AB is M by P. Order of AB is what is there here? M by P. This is what here exceeds. Why? Because here that middle value both also equal means that order of AB means what is there here? Exceeds. Okay. Second one, same reverse you take. First B order matrix. B order matrix what is there here? N into B. But here how will you read here? N by B. But here multiplication means, or the two matrix multiplication means, that time using the symbol into. Next A order matrix what is there here? M by N. Okay, same like that only. Here middle value what is there here? P and M. But here P value and M value both also not equal. Now different. Now column and row also value what is there here? Different is there. This type of the order is there means the order of BA. What is the BA? But here not exceeds. The order of BA does not exceeds. Okay, you understood? Listen properly. This type of the listen properly. Here order of matrix means A M by N, B N by P. That middle value equal is there means the remaining part what is there? That is only order of AB. That is this method equal is there means what here? AB is what here? Exceeds. But here middle value not equal means the order of AB or BA does not exceeds. Once again I will explain. Students listen properly. The order of product matrix AB. Listen. A matrix order M by N, B matrix order N by B. Here nothing. Here middle value equal means order of AB exceeds. Remaining whatever is there you write. Second one, B matrix N by P, A matrix M by N. Now listen here, the middle value what is the equal or different? Yes, different. Now only check middle value. Middle value different means the order of BA or AB, anyone, but what is there? It does not exceeds. Okay, listen. Properties of product of matrices. There are 4 types. First type, matrix product is not commutative. But here 2 types is there in general cases. But here your question is given not commutative. Matrix product is not commutative means here A, for example, A matrix Aij. Now for example 2 by 2 matrix you are saying. Suppose B matrix Aij 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now this is not commutative or commutative you prove. Now A matrix what is there here? Order 2 by 2. What is the B matrix order? 2 by 2. Already before only I told that middle value equal means order of AB exists. Okay, but here what is there here? This is order of third category, AB equal to exists. Same BA means what is the B matrix? B matrix also 2 by 2. and A matrix also. Next A matrix 2 by 2. Okay, listen, same here middle value also 2, here also what is there here 2, but here BA also exceeds. Why? Here AB also, here this both middle value also equal, that's why AB exceeds. Here B also, this middle value both also equal, that's why BA exceeds. Therefore AB equal to BA. This is what is the law? Commutative law. But here matrix product, in general case, sometimes commutative, left hand side, right hand side, commutative equal will come. But here sometimes in general case, not commutative also will come. But here now your textbook, what is the first type is given here? Not commutative. Now commutative, left hand side, right hand side is proof over. Next, second type, how will you prove? Not commutative. Okay, next, now you prove not commutative. Same, A matrix equal to Aij 3 by 2 matrix, B matrix equal to Aij 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, now what is the order of AB? Now not commutative proof. Okay, now listen, here column value 2 is there, row value 3 is there. Now this middle value not equal, middle value not equal, therefore AB is not exceeds. Next, BA. Now BA matrix, what is there here? B Aij 3 by 2 matrix. Next, A matrix Aij 3 by 2 matrix. Therefore BA equal to, here middle value 2 is there, here also first value what is there, 3 is there. This middle value different, therefore BA also not exceeds. Therefore AB not equal to BA. That proof over. The matrix product is not commutative. Okay, listen. Next, second type, matrix product is distributive over matrix addition. Product and addition. First one, left distributive law. Left distributive law. A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Why? Because a left distributive law means now left side A is there. That's why using the left distributive law. Equal to, remove the bracket here, multiply A into B, AB. Next symbol, what is there here? C. Next, A into C, AC. Listen properly, this type of the question in exercise sum also is there. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, now for example, you assume A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Now wherever A, B, C is there, now replace the value. Okay, now A place, what you write here? 1. Open the bracket. B place, what you write here? 2 plus C place, what you write here? 3 equal to, here AB, what is the A value? 1 into B value equal, what is there here? 2. close the bracket. Afterwards, what is the symbol? Plus. Next AC. AC means what here? A into C. What is the A value? 1 into C value equal what is there here? 3. First to remove the bracket here. Now 2 plus 3 means what is the answer here? 5. Here outside what is there here? 1. Equal to 1 into 2 means what is the answer? 2. What is the middle operation? What is there here? Plus is there. Next 1 into 3 means what is the answer here? 3. Now 1 into 5, 5 equal to 2 plus 3 means what is the answer here? 5. Now see here left hand side, right hand side both also same answer came. Now first type what is there here? Left distributive law over. What is the heading is given here? The matrix product is distribute over matrix addition. Now multiplication and over addition both also mixing. Okay, is left distributive law. Okay, next second type right distributive law. A plus into C. Here right side multiplication. What is there here? C. That's why what here? Right distributive law equal to same. Remove the bracket here. A into C. AC. Middle what is the symbol? Plus. Next B into C. BC. Okay, listen properly. A into C. AC. Afterwards plus. Next B into C. BC. Same. Here also assume some value. A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 2. Now this value replace the property. Okay. First one A. A value equal what is there here? 0 plus B value equal to 1 into C value equal what is there here? 2 equal to again A into C. A value equal to 0, 0 into C value 1 plus B into C. B value 1 into C value 2. Okay. Next remove the bracket here. 0 plus 1 means what is the answer here? 1. Here into 2 equal. Here close the bracket. Now 0 into 1 means what is the answer here? 0 plus 1 into 2 means what is the answer here? 2. Here remove the bracket here. 1 into 2 means what is the answer here? 2. 0 plus 2 means what is the answer here? 2. Same here also left hand side, right hand side, value same. Therefore, the right distributive law is over. Okay, listen next to third type. Matrix product is always associative. For example, you select 3 matrix. Why? Because a product is always associative proof. Now A matrix, B matrix and C matrix. Now you select pair. Now A into BC. Next pair AB select. AB into C. You understood? The 3 type of the matrix is there here. Now A matrix, B matrix, C matrix. You make a group. First you take this type also, or second you take this type also, no problem. First I will select A separate, B and C one group. Next AB is one group, I separate C. But here left hand side, right hand side, any one first you write, no problem. Okay. Now you assume A value 1, B value 2, C value 3. But here you take any value, no problem. Now you replace the value. Now A value 1 into B value 2 into C value 3 equal same. Right hand side A value 1 into B value 2 into C value 3. Now first you remove the bracket. 1 into 3 2s are 6 equal. Here also first you remove the bracket. 1 into 2 2, 2 into 3. Next 1 into 6 6. 3 2s are 6. Now left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Therefore, the matrix product is always associative. Next, fourth type, product of a matrix by unit matrix. Unit means 1. We multiply A matrix, B matrix, we get here B matrix means unit matrix. For example, we multiply A matrix, B matrix means identity matrix. Okay, these two matrix multiply means we get A matrix. Suppose identity matrix multiply A matrix means again what you will get? A matrix. This is condition. Okay, product of matrix 6 by unit matrix multiply means the final answer what will come here? A matrix. For example, A matrix, A value equal to 2. I means what here? Unit. Unit means what is the answer here? 1. Now A value equal to 2, I value equal to what is there here? 1. Now 2 into 1 means what is the answer here? 2. Already what you assume here, A value 2. In final answer also what you get here? 2. That's why what is the condition? A matrix multiply identity matrix, we will get again A matrix. That is called the product of matrix by unit matrix. Suppose order form, A matrix order, identity matrix order is given means again what will come here? A matrix order. For example, A value 2, 0, 1, 3. Here I means what here? Identity matrix. But here only value select means I means what here? Unit matrix means one you select. But here order of matrix select means I means what is the condition? This is we only assume 1, 0, 0, 1. This is square matrix. This diagonal what is there here? 1 is there. But the remaining part what is there here? 0 is there. This type of the matrix, this type of the square matrix means what you assume here? Identity matrix. Why you select 1, 0, 0, 1 means this A matrix what is there here? 2 by 2 matrix. Now 1, 2, row value 2, in column value also 2 is there. That's why your identity matrix also we will select 2 by 2 matrix. Now A matrix 2, 0, 1, 3. Now identity matrix, A matrix into identity matrix what is there here? 1, 0, 0, 1. Already before only the definition I told, 2 matrix given means how will you multiply means already I informed, same like that only here multiply. First row multiply first column. Now 2 into 1 means what is the answer here? 2. Next what you write here? Plus 0 into 0 means what is the answer here? 0. Next first row second column. 2 into 0 means what is the answer here? 0. Afterwards write symbol plus. Next 0 into 1 means what is the answer here? 0. Next second row first column. 1 into 1 means what is the answer here? 1. Afterwards write plus. 3 into 0 means what is the answer here? 0. Next second row second column. 1 into 0 means what is the answer here? 0. Afterwards you write plus. Next 3 into 1 means what is the answer here? 3. Next add and write here. 2 plus 0 means what is the answer here? 2. 0 plus 0 means what is the answer here? 0. 1 plus 0 means what is the answer here? 1. 0 plus 3 means what is the answer here? 3. Now see here, finally what is the answer you get here? 2, 0, 1, 3. Where is this answer is there here? In A matrix. 2, 0, 1, 3. Already that result what I told here. A matrix multiply identity matrix, we get which matrix I told here? A matrix. Here A matrix and identity matrix multiply means finally what your answer you get here? A matrix. This is called the product of matrix by unit matrix. Okay, listen. Now exercise 3.18. Question number 1. Find the order of the product of matrix AB if. Already I informed in definition how to find out the order of matrix. Okay, your order of A matrix, order of B matrix is given. Question number 1. Order of A matrix means 3 by 3. Order of B matrix means what is given here? 3 by 3. Now total 5 question is there. Now each question is separate. You prove. Okay. First one. Order of A matrix. Order of A matrix 3 by 3. Order of B matrix 3 by 3. Already in definition I told order of A matrix m by n, order of B matrix n by p. In middle value equal is there means the order of AB is exceeds I told. Remaining whatever is there, that is only order of AB. Remaining what is there here? M by P. Same like that only proof here also. Okay. Now what is the middle value? 3 by 3. Now middle value equal means already told exceeds. Now therefore order of AB, what is the remaining part? 3 by 3. That's his answer. Okay, listen. First one over. Second and third one over. Now listen, fourth one. Order of A matrix 4 by 5. 4 by 5. B matrix 5 by 1. Now listen here, middle value, what is there here? 5, 5. This middle value equal. Therefore, order of AB, what is the remaining part? 4, 1. 4 by 1. This is only answer. Order of AB 4 by 1. Okay, next last one, fifth one. Order of A value. Order of A matrix 1 by 1. Order of B matrix 1 by 3. Now here middle value also 1 by 1 is there. Therefore order of AB, remaining part what is there here? 1 by 3. This is order of AB 1 by 3. But here all the question middle value equal answer came. That's why order of AB exceeds. In case suppose any order in middle value interchange means what you already before only I told AB is does not exceeds. Okay. Suppose that type of the question in case asking means you check that properly middle value equal or not equal, you check and write. But here your textbook also this order of the question answer order will be changed, but here don't consider the textbook answer. Okay, this is only correct answer. In textbook answer backside that order change. Okay, thank you for students.